Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do IOTA nails. What you're going to need is a base coat and any white nail polish. The one I use is called Instant Pearl. Any black nail polish and a top coat. You'll also need a daughter tool and a metal plate or even a piece of paper will do. First, you want to paint your nails with the base coat. Once that's dry, you want to paint your nails with the white nail polish. You can do one coat or two coats, it's up to you. For this video, I did 2 coats. Then you're going to take your black nail polish and use the daughter tool. And for this video, we're going to be using the small side. You want to take your metal plate or piece of paper and put some of the black nail polish on it. Just dab a little bit on the plate at a time, because if you do too much, it will dry out way too quickly. Then you just want to dab it in the black nail polish a little bit and start making the dots. Make sure that you use new nail polish on the metal plate or piece of paper, because after a few minutes it starts to dry out, and when you use it, it gets really stringy. So that's why in this video you see some of my dots have like a little black line in between them. That's just because the nail polish started to dry and is getting a little bit stringy. So I suggest to use just a little bit at a time. So once that's done, you have your IOTA nails. Some of mine are a bit messy, as you can see. Once that's dry, you can put your top coat on. Do a thick coat of that. Let it dry, and there you have it. You have IOTA nails. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and if you have any crypto nail tutorial videos that you want me to do, please comment below and let me know, and I will do my best to do a nail tutorial for that cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.